stalking the victim who he'd never met in person. Edward King and the victim had never met before the attack early Sunday, but they were acquainted through an online video game called Nassau County Sheriff Bill Leeper said during a press conference allows players to fight and kill each other. Fucking obvious.
I owed him up.
That's supposed to be like a relation. In this video game, you could fight other players and kill them. After that, a long time ago. Holy, what a throwback! That's 2013. That's big, Taylor. I knew you could do it. I knew you could find a way to fly even shorter distance. I'm not even gonna fact check you because it sounds so believable.
Good girl.
Also, just lost hardcore. Oof. Hey, happens. Could be worse. This guy could have flown in from New Jersey to hit him with a hammer for losing his Minecraft hardcore. Honestly, guys, you got it easy, brother.
No. I owed him up.
I won't take these. Left ear only.
Look at this idiot.
Get your audio department in line. Said it's unclear what exactly occurred in the fantasy game to prompt Kang to jump on a flight to the victim's Florida home Thursday evening, but the suspect told authorities that the arrest of the victim is bad person on creepy to read. Killed me in
Oh my god!
After his arrival, Kang went to the victim's Fernandina Beach residence and entered through an unlocked door. The unknowing victim had been playing video games in his room when he got up to his room, opened the door, and found Kang standing with a hammer raised in the air, anticipated strike position, where all died to find him struggling on the ground.
No.
The victim and his stepfather were able to disarm and restrain Kang until deputies arrived at 2 a.m.